Okay, I am unboxing the Hi Honey box from Influenster. Alright, so this is the box and it came with this card right here. And it just says Curl Up Honey, Cream of Nature, Pure Honey. So this came with a curl activator, shrinkage defense. So this is a big bottle and my girls have been wanting to use this. This is no sulfates, mineral oil, or silicones. Pure honey, rich coconut oil, creamy shea butter. So this is what it looks like. And I probably will do it clips of this stuff up and close because I don't know if I can see if you can see it or not. So then we got the Argan Oil Perfect Edges 24-hour extra hold hair gel. So this came with it. And it also came with the Knot Away Leave-In Detangler. So that's that. And shampoo and conditioner samples. So I got the moisturizing dry defense shampoo sample and also the conditioner. So it came with 2 of those. So this is the Influencer Pure Honey box and everything came like this in here. So now I'm going to show you up close. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye! Thanks for watching.